Here's how to connect and pair the Hume Band 2.0 with the Hume Health app for first-time setup or reconnect it if it becomes disconnected in less than 3 minutes. Today I will show you in a step-by-step guide how to pair your band correctly so it can start syncing your health and activity data. First, make sure your Hume Band 2.0 has enough battery before you begin. A full charge usually takes about 30 minutes. Once it's charged, install and open the Hume Health app on your phone, then sign in or create your Hume account if this is your first time using it. You'll see the onboarding screen followed by the main setup process. Next, if you're setting up the band for the first time, simply follow the onboarding prompts until you reach the pairing screen. If you've already used the app before, open the Me or Profile section, tap Pair Devices, then select Pair Device. This opens the device pairing page where your phone will begin looking for compatible devices. Then, make sure your Bluetooth is on from your phone settings or quick settings panel. Keep your Hume Band close to your phone and follow the pairing instructions shown inside the app to place the band into the pairing mode. The app will begin searching for nearby Hume Band devices. If you notice instructions mentioning Band 1.0, don't worry. Some users report seeing older instructions, but the Band 2.0 can still pair normally. After that, tap your Hume Band when it appears on the screen. Once the connection is successful, you'll see a pairing confirmation along with the band's battery level. Allow the first synchronization to finish without moving the band too far away from your phone. When the sync completes, your dashboard will begin displaying your health and activity data. If you don't see this option, there's another way. Open Me, then Pair Devices, tap the broken chain icon or forget device, turn Bluetooth off and back on, restart your phone, confirm the Hume Health app has Bluetooth, nearby devices, and physical activity permissions, then try pairing again. If your band still doesn't appear, make sure it's charged and remove any protective plastic covering the charging contacts if it's brand new. Once everything is set, the Hume Band 2.0 will appear as a connected device in the Hume Health app, and your health, sleep, and activity data will begin syncing automatically. Following these simple steps makes connecting and pairing the Hume Band 2.0 with the Hume Health app for first-time setup or reconnecting it quick and easy.